TutorMe is an online tutoring service that we subscribe to here at Chatfield. They provide tutoring services to students in a variety of subject areas, including math, languages, science, and many other areas. This is a free service for our Chatfield students. Students can easily access a tutor by clicking the TutorMe button in the global navigation bar in Canvas. Once the TutorMe page comes up, they can then click with the Connect with a Tutor button, which will take them to a TutorMe lesson space and connect them to a tutor. Here is a demo of the lesson space students will use when working with a TutorMe tutor. As you can see, there is a whiteboard, a calculator, text and code editors, and file sharing that allow a student and tutor to work together seamlessly on any subject. The lesson space also gives the student and tutor the ability to see and talk to each other through use of a webcam and microphone. You can also provide more information on TutorMe by directing your students to the Help Center on the TutorMe.com website, which they can click the link at the bottom of the page.